Hello guys, it's me, the girl that came out this year, and now when people really want to hurt me, they just call me he. It's me, Nikki. Hello. Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well, staying safe, staying inside, getting through this madness. This is actually my third time trying to film this challenge because I have failed 2 times already. During this craziness, sometimes even us creators don't know what to do, and we seek help from others. And when help from others isn't really working out either, we browse. And I came across this filter right here. This filter right here picks what product you have to use for your look. So it says, what's my foundation? What's my concealer? What's my setting powder? And so on and so forth. Is that a sentence? We say that in Dutch. This Instagram filter is gonna pick my makeup look today. I literally don't know where this is gonna end up. All I hope is that, you know, third time's a charm, because this is my 3rd time trying it. So let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm about to start, but like the stench that is entering my nostrils, one of the dogs just farted. And I don't know who it was, but it's probably Mila, the smallest one, because her tiny body packs a punch. Oh my God, young lady. All right, guys, let's do it. Let's see where this makeup filter is gonna take me. If you've watched my channel before, you know that I like doing my primer, foundation, concealer, and setting powder pretty fast, because I feel like the more you blend it in together and then set it and forget it, the better it looks. All right, darling, let's go. Hi. That's right, I forgot. I suppressed it from my memory. It's 2020, and this filter does not have what's my primer. This filter is literally ignoring primer to death. It deserves better. So we're not priming today. Let's find out what my foundation will be. Give me a good one. Good one, please. Morphe Fluidity, okay. All right, I have that right here. This is a super full coverage foundation that just, you don't have to build it up. It just goes and it just flows. It's perfect for a quick full coverage beat. Now let's find out what concealer goes with it. Concealer. Hi, don't let me down. I don't have that. I don't have that. I don't think I have that either. Just give me something. Give me something. Thank you. Thank you, makeup lords. Thank you, gods of makeup. My holy grail, Jouer Essential High Coverage. Now let's find out what my setting powder will be, shall we? Okay. Oh, I have that. Oh my God, finally something I have. There we go, the gang's all complete. Now let's get this base started. Fluidity, you're up. Make sure you stay tuned towards the end of this video for a very fun giveaway. I just love this foundation. It is so fast. Like some foundations, even full coverage ones, need a lot of time to like build up and blend in seamlessly. And this just doesn't need that. It's like, oh, you're ready to go full coverage, let's go. I mean, it's definitely a more matte foundation, so in a perfect world where you would be allowed to let an Instagram filter pick your primer for you, a nice sticky primer would be perfect for this to really make it cling onto it. I'm gonna say, even though without primer, it's beautiful right now. Time for concealer. You know, I found this newfound appreciation for concealer. It's like, oh, we took you for granted, but in these rough times, not that our dark circles are darker than ever before, it's like new appreciation for that concealer out there. All right, let's move on to brow. The base is done, and now that we look like a flat, unflavored pancake, it is time to add some character. Brows. Tap, tap, tap. What's my brow? Morphe Micro Brow Pencil. Okay. Did you guys see that option for no brows and the glue stick? Can you believe out of all the 3 times that I'm filming this challenge, that one never came up, and I've never felt so blessed. Okay, brows take me at least 20 minutes to do, and I don't want to worry you like that, so I'll be right back. with some character added to my face. Now let's find out what's happening for the eyes. So the filter automatically chooses the Morphe and James Charles palette. And basically what the filter is gonna do is select colors from this. So it's literally gonna say, hey girl, these are the colors you're allowed to use. That's it. So let's find out what colors we get to use. I'm scared. What's my eyeshadow? Give me a good mix. Give me a good mix. Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh my God, pinks and purples? What I'm gonna do, because I already failed doing this video twice, and I don't wanna do it for a third time. I'm gonna go off camera real quick, situate this eye, get myself sorted, make sure that I know what I'm doing. I need to practice to make sure that I can teach you, and then I'll be back. All right, so this is the eye I sort of came up with. Of course, lashes really are gonna have to save this look. So hopefully the filter actually gives me lashes. I'm gonna go in with that bright ass pink called Skip, and I'm gonna put this all on the outer corner and in the crease. I literally get that color all the way in there, and then whatever is left on the brush, I start using to diffuse out that harsh edge. So you wanna place your brush right up against that harsh edge and start doing these like soft miniature circular motions. Then to really blow it up and smoke it out, I'm mixing these two together, Pinkity Drinkity and Skip, and we're blending that right above what we just placed, and we're really gonna blow it out with this, guys. Okay, woo! Now it is time to cut the lid, and for that I'm using my Jouer concealer and setting it with this color right here called Canvas. So now I'm setting everything using Canvas, and you of course want to make that nice and smooth. So I'm kind of tapping it at the edge of that pink, and then I grab more of the pink and I sort of stamp it right on that edge to blend it in, and that is going to very softly diffuse in a bit of that pink without messing up the rest. See, just up and down motions, tapping it on. Is doing the job for, oh, that's a nice blend. Now to smoke out the lash line a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the darkest color here called Benny. And we're basically just gonna stamp this on and leave it as is because it's gonna act as like a shadow for the lashes to make everything look a little bit fuller and smokier. Take that color and literally stamp on the lash line. Time to define that edge with some white liquid liner. Wow, that went so fast. The other eye was like not having it, and with this one I'm like, oh, I'm done. Now for the bottom, of course we still have to use the purple called Single and also Mary. So I'm gonna pop on the purple first, just stamping it on. It's a stamping eyeshadow kind of day. We're literally beating it into the flesh. And you guys know I'm all about that crazy smoky lower lash line. So now I take Mary and we go even lower. Dip it down low and it just adds sexiness. It's just like, ooh, seduction. We all have that one perfect like placement for ultra smokiness. And for me, it's when I push on my brush and I kind of feel the brush going underneath my eyeball. That's too much information, but still, that is sort of like my perfect placement for if I want that crazy smoky look, and bam, hit it every time. Now it's time to hop back into the filter and find out what's going on for lashes. Like I said, this look depends, like its success depends on lashes. So don't let me down, okay? Mascara and lashes, here we go. God, please, please. Lashes in Style Doha. Lily Lashes in Style Doha and the Maybelline Colossal. I don't have that, but you know what? Let me just do lashes only then, and then no mascara. Woo! You guys have no idea how good it feels to finally have moved on from the eyes. Now let's find out what is happening for bronzer. Come on, give me some good. Oh, I have that. I'm shocked. Come on, Kylie Jenner, how nice of you to join the party. I'm hoping the sisters are keeping it nice and friendly over there right now during this crazy madness. How crazy was that Kim versus Courtney moment? Guys, I was like, what is going on? I mean, I never really gravitate towards this bronzer. I don't know what it is with Kylie products in me, but like it just, for the most part, there used to be a spark and now I'm a little bit bored. That might just be me though. Definitely sound off in the comments down below. What is a brand that before really sparked your interest and nowadays it's like, yeah. Oh, I have another one, MAC. Yikes. Bronzing is done. Now let's tap, blush. Yes? Yeah. Oh wow. Okay, let me find out which one that is. Found it. This right here is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. This color here is very reflective. So I wanna, well, both of them are super glowy, see that? So this is gonna act as a highlighter as well. So I'm just gonna, you know what? Who cares? I'm gonna start a little bit higher up because it has that sheen, it automatically highlights, do you see? Oh, that is pretty. Oh, it adds a hint of color, see, but it's also a glowing queen. Thanks to this challenge, you know, it's been traumatizing, but oh my God, I think I have found a new favorite for blush. This is stunning, I love it. Time for highlighter, not like we need a bunch more because we're already glowing and this is, yes. Are we seeing it? Yes. Highlighter, yes. Give me one I have. Give me one I have. Nikita Dragon, let me grab her. I'm actually really happy that the filter chose this face palette by Nikita Dragon because Nikita is someone who has always been so fearless and so incredibly genuinely her that it always inspired me when I wasn't out yet, that she was so fearless. I was like, one day I wanna be able to feel that fearlessness that she has. She's like such a strong individual and so inspiring to watch, and she is so drop dead gorgeous. So I'm glad the filter picked her because I love supporting her. All right, so girl, I got two highlighters. I'm pretty highlighted already, but you know what? It's never enough. Never be enough. Right here, amplify that glow. Ooh. See, I thought I had enough glow already, but I was wrong. Look at that. Ooh, yes. Okie dokie, it is time for lipstick. What will it be? Oh, Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood. Okay, a red moment with the pink. Oh, I just put the tiniest bit of that highlighter on top of the lip. Oh, you think I'd be done right now, right? Well, guess what? When you tap it some more, it says, twist. Implement this product to your look. I thought I had reached my final destination, but guess what? Life took a U-turn. U-turn, I'm ready. Implement this product into your look. Bottom lashes. The makeup gods, thank you so much for listening to me. I know 2 days ago, my life was at a down. Okay, it was at a down. Everything looked very dark, but baby, it's looking bright. Thank you. These are bottom lashes by Cami Nguyen. They are called Top or Bottom. And I'm gonna just apply them to the bottom. Oh, kind of roaring 20s, right? I mean, we're in the 20s. I cannot even begin to tell you how happy I am that this challenge is over and done with. I will never do this challenge again. This was so frustrating, but also it kept me on my toes, which I feel like in the makeup industry is so good because you can never get comfortable. So because this was such a struggle bus for me, I'm hoping to make things better for you. So for today's giveaway, I'm deciding to give away these bottom lashes that are so iconic to 10 of you. That's right, 10 people of you will win these bottom lashes, fresh new ones, trust me. And all you have to do is, of course, be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment the Dutch word of the day. Today's Dutch word of the day is going to be a little bit more advanced, but I trust you and I know you can handle this. This video was all about ups and downs. So today's Dutch sentence of the day is for ups and downs. Pieken en dalen. Pieken en dalen. This video was a roller coaster of pieken and dalen, but we made it in the end. If you want to enter the giveaway and be featured in my next video, maybe, hopefully, you have to leave the Dutch word of the day down below in the comments. Also, in your comment, please provide your Instagram handle so I can contact you safely. And that is it. I love you so much. Take care. And I'm done. Goodbye.